right up. Step right up. You ain't from around here, are you? Fried chicken and gasoline, brightest nightmare you've ever seen. Fried chicken and gasoline, welcome to my broken dream. Red lights buzzing, cheap souvenirs, everybody smiling ear to ear. Fried chicken and gasoline, tell me what the hell that means. Got a parking lot full of rust and dust, the haunted sign says you can trust us. Three-legged goat and the rattlesnake band, best little freak show in the whole damn land. Tourists stop for a photograph and stay all night when the generators crack. Nobody knows why they can't leave, but they keep buying t-shirts from me. Fried chicken and gasoline, brightest nightmare you've ever seen. Fried chicken and gasoline, welcome to my broken dream. Red lights buzzing, cheap souvenirs, everybody smiling ear to ear. Fried chicken and gasoline, tell me what the hell that means. Fortune teller lost her mind, now she predicts the weather just fine. Skeleton jukebox plays old songs, been stuck on track 7 way too long. I sell maps that go nowhere, bottled moonlight, carnival air. If you're looking for answers, friend, you definitely come to the wrong place again. Hot grease, bad ideas, roadside legends for 50 years. Neon angels, missing gears, everybody cheers, nobody hears. Fried chicken and gasoline, brightest nightmare you've ever seen. Fried chicken and gasoline, welcome to my broken dream. Red lights buzzing, cheap souvenirs, everybody smiling ear to ear. Fried chicken and gasoline, see you again next Halloween.